Pacific Charters in MorroBay, California. We run the only 6-pack charter in MorroBay, and a lot of people ask me, what do I do with my fish after I catch it? Well, probably the simplest and most healthiest thing to do with your fish is to just bring it home after it's been cleaned, and when you leave us, this is what you end up with. We send you home with a fillet that's been deboned, and these fillets are fresh out of the water today. So, anyways, what we do with them is we salt and pepper both sides, and then I put a pan on high, and I like to use cast iron because cast iron retains heat better than the thin stainless steel or aluminum pans. And when you're trying to sear stuff or brown the outside, you want the pan to hold the heat in it. So the next thing I do is take some olive oil. I use Costco olive oil. It tastes pretty good. It's not bad tasting or anything. And just drizzle 5 or 6 tablespoons of olive oil in there, and then simply take your fish and lay it in there. And I like to cook my fish on maybe like high to medium high heat, and just get I like to let it just brown on the other side. The other thing is, when I'm cooking a piece of fish, if I'm gonna fry it up, I'll take this fish and I'll cut it into pieces like this. And I always go the length of the fillet when I'm cutting it. And I'd use these for fish and chips. And you can put your favorite breading on the outside. But you're probably asking me, why in the heck would you cut these up into small pieces? The reason being is, I've been doing this for a long time. I've eaten a lot of fish in my life. Me and my family used to eat it every night in some instances. My mom used to fry the heck out of it. And as I got older, I started frying fish, and stupid me would stick a whole fillet, like is in the pan over there, into the fryer breaded. And what happens is, at the end of the process, you have a soggy fillet at the end. And the reason being is there's so much moisture escaping out of the fish that it causes the breading to get soggy after you take it out of the oil and let it set. So essentially, if you make this pieces smaller, it doesn't have as much moisture and the breading stays a lot more firm and crispy after you get done. So that's just my tip for that. So let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, this is getting really close to being flipped. This is my favorite way to enjoy a piece of fish. And don't forget your vegetables either, kids. We got I got some zucchini here, some banana squash, and yellow peppers. Everything's just salt and pepper, really simple. All that's cooked in olive oil. This is almost ready to be flipped, and you can see how hot that pan is. Alright, so this is about ready to be flipped. Just going to grab it like this, flip it over, and voila. Now this is all nice, and it's getting to the point where it's almost going to be burnt. And let me turn some light on here so you can kind of see. It's just browned though, and you might even, just me, But I'm going to drizzle some more olive oil in there because I like my stuff nice and seared on the outside. And let me tell you something, when you're cooking this, the smell that comes off this fresh fish is amazing. This ain't nothing like you've ever got at the store. There's nothing fishy about it. Now, the other side's going to cook pretty quick. There's not as much moisture in there, and the other side's already heated up. So this is how I'm going to finish it off. Get yourself some real butter. Don't get the fake stuff. Don't get the margarine. Turn this down a little bit. We're just going to throw some butter in here. Again, I got some minced garlic. That's from Costco. Woo. One thing about cast iron is the handles will burn you. You got to be pretty quick with this. The garlic has a lot of sugar in it and it will burn very, very easily. All right, so next part of the process is let's manage to get this out of here, lay it on the plate, take a little of this juice, put it right over the top of this. There you go. Seared rockfish. We got garlic, a little bit of butter on there, and salt and pepper. And if you don't believe me that it tastes good, I'll try it for you right now. Oh my God, it's so crunchy on the outside here. Oh my God. That is so perfect. The inside is so moist, and the outside, it's got like this crust on there. And oh my God, it's so good. So anyways, a lot of people ask me, Sean, what do you do with the fish? This is what you do. So I hope you guys enjoyed me cooking, and I hope to see you out on my boat sometime soon. Thanks a lot and have a great day.